Hey guys, I'm Sebastian. I'm the founder and CEO of Rilla, the leading virtual ride-along software for the home improvement industry. And today I'm here with Alicia Powers, who's the general manager of Kohler Services San Diego. And today we're gonna be hopping on that plane over there and we're gonna be doing virtual ride-alongs in the sky. So this is how it's gonna work. How much time do we got, boss?
6 minutes.
So we got 6 minutes. When this plane takes off, I have to complete 3 ride-alongs on my ride-along inbox, and Alicia has to complete 2 ride-alongs on a ride-along inbox. That gives her 3 minutes per ride-along, and it gives me 2 minutes per ride-along. And we gotta get our ride-alongs done before we jump off this plane, man. So let's get it. The first thing I like to do when I look at the Rilla conversations is I like to look at the talk metrics.
Brittany, overall this was a really good call. I think I want to check your analytics here.
Let's see how we did. Let's look at the talk ratio, a little bit too high. Let's give him some feedback here.
I really need to tell you to dial back how much you're actually talking and give the customers time to respond to your questions.
Okay, we're on track. Okay, we got a fail here. I got one more left.
All right, I'm almost done with mine. I got half of one.
Okay, I did all my ride-alongs. Alicia still got 1 more to go. We're done. We're ready to go. So we gotta get ready to jump. We gotta get ready to jump. How was that, coach? How we doing? Yeah! Virtual ride-alongs in the sky!